How long did you say she was in a vegetative state for?
5 years.
We need to call the police. This woman is pregnant.
A woman in a vegetative state with vaginal bleeding was brought to the hospital. The doctors examining her were shocked.
We need to call the police. This woman is pregnant.
The patient has been in a vegetative state for 5 years. This situation definitely indicates that she was assaulted. While the police and doctors were collecting DNA from her body, the patient's parents arrived. When the parents learned that their daughter had suffered both physical and psychological trauma, they were deeply distressed. The doctors were also prepared to help the girl terminate the pregnancy, but the parents' idea was utterly shocking.
We want to keep the baby.
I'm sorry. I thought, given the circumstances...
Mr. and Mrs. Azen, nothing has to be decided today.
No, we've made up our mind.
They believed that the child in the womb was also part of their daughter, and although they could no longer have their daughter, they could have a granddaughter. However, the hospital director strongly advised against it, because for a vegetative person who has been in a coma for 5 years, pregnancy is an enormous challenge. In the 3rd trimester, there is a high risk of fatal factors such as pulmonary embolism and sepsis.
She's hardly living as it is.
The doctors were appalled that the parents did not consider their daughter at all, but as the sole guardians, the doctors could do nothing. Dr. Xiao Na had to call in the neurosurgery director. During the director's examination, the woman could actually move her eyes up and down. It turned out that she was not brain dead, but had total paralysis caused by a brainstem stroke, and she was in a conscious state. That means she was awake when she was assaulted. The parents collapsed on the spot, realizing that their daughter had been enduring immense pain all along. Fortunately, this kind of paralysis caused by a stroke can recover some motor function through physical therapy, and they can also use infrared eye tracking equipment to communicate with their daughter. Thinking of this, the couple wept with joy.